Thank you for joining us. I'm Yantulu. In the past several weeks, American as well as local news reports and online publications have cited that a new eyewitness has come forward in the Natalee Holloway case. I spoke to the chief prosecutor in Aruba regarding this recent development, and he has dismissed the claims made by Jurien de Jong.
I saw Natalee Holloway on the last night that she was alive. I was the eyewitness.
Jurien de Jong coming forward as an eyewitness and speaking to various press members regarding what he saw on May 30th, 2005 has generated media attention once again on the high-profile Natalee Holloway case. Eric Oldhoff, the chief public prosecutor on the island, says Mr. de Jong is not a new eyewitness. He came forward in 2008, 2013, and 2015. However, the story he told authorities in 2008 did not corroborate with what he brought forward in 2013. Prosecutor Oldhoff explains what the witness claims he saw.
2013 and 2015 now, that's the same statement. And he says that he saw that Joran van der Sloot buried Natalee Holloway in the crawl space under the staircase of the spyglass tower of the Marriott Hotel. And he claims he saw that. He saw him doing that.
The public prosecutor's office's first step is to verify the facts in Mr. de Jong's story. The focus here is the infrastructure of the Marriott Hotel at the time.
The latest development is that I looked at that statement and what was the specific situation in 2005? How did it look like? What was built and what wasn't built? Said at that spot there was some sort of foundation, there was a crawl space, and underneath there was Natalee Holloway buried. So I thought, when I can get information about the specific situation at that time, at that spot, I can verify if the statement of Mr. de Jong can be true, because that's what we are supposed to do.
The chief public prosecutor reached out to the Marriott Corporation in the United States to have them dig into their files and provide factual reports regarding the state of the Marriott property on May 30th, 2005.
I contacted the Marriott Hotel, the management of the Marriott Hotel in the United States, and they provided me with information. Last week I got some details about the situation on the spot, and the outcome is that there was no foundation at that moment. There was no crawl space at that moment on the 30th of May 2005. So I concluded that Mr. de Jong cannot have seen what he claims he saw.
There are a few things to consider here. Jurien de Jong came forward with his eyewitness testimony in 2008, which is 3 years after the disappearance of Holloway. He claims he was involved with other drug-related criminal activities at the time of the case, reason being why he couldn't come forward then. Mr. de Jong's story changes from what he tells authorities in 2008 to 2013, but has been consistent within the last 2 years. According to prosecutor Oldhoff, Mr. de Jong is currently a resident of the Netherlands. He wasn't able to confirm for me the witness's occupation. Watch tomorrow night's 15 on 15 as well as Noticia Noche to find out what the prosecutor's office's plans are going forward. Furthermore, we will discuss what Aruba's prosecutors did in 2013 when Mr. de Jong came forward with the story. We leave no stones unturned in this new development. More details tomorrow night.